Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So we are going to go on from the previous pie chart and we are going to change the appearance of it. So you can load the spreadsheet software, which is Excel, and it should be here under the recently created Excel sheets. So here is the previous one called heating pie chart. If you can't find it, just go to the previous activity and download the heating pie chart. So we can click on the chart here at the border, and chart design over here we can choose different colors. So you can see, if you know you're going to have to print in black and white, then this already puts it in the correct grayscale, and you can choose any of these colors that you like. But for this specific assignment they said we had to choose the green palette one, green pastel, sorry. We can also add patterns to a chart, so we can right click on a segment inside the pie chart. So a segment is any one of these pizza slices. So I'll just right click on it and say format data series, and then over here I have the newer version of Excel, but you should be able, if you have the older version, just follow these instructions over here. They said we have to choose the pastel color for a blue tissue. So we go to fill, because we're going to fill in the color, and we're going to choose a picture or texture fill, and then to the texture we just find the blue tissue paper pattern over there. Double left click on the segment value, which is 24%, to select it. So this is the 24, so I'm just going to double click. You know you've selected that specific segment if you see these three circles over there, and we are going to explode it. They call it a point explosion, kind of like when you take you can actually, every time you take a piece of pizza, then you can actually say you have point exploded it. But you'll see, if I make the point explosion, let's say 100%, you can see that's how far the pizza is being, or the pizza slice, or the segment is being taken away. And they say we have to move the slider until it's 25%. So you can move the slider until it's 25%, but you can also just type in 25, and there it has moved out, or it point exploded with 25%. Now they say experiment by changing the angle of the first slice and the point explosion. So this is the angle of the first slice. So you'll see, if you turn this, or if you slide here on the slider, the pizza actually turns around. So you can decide where that pizza slice has to go out, or the point explosion. So whichever one you prefer, you can put it there, and you can then just submit this as exploded pie chart. Awesome.